Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best phone sanitizer in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. PhoneSoap 3 UV Cell Phone Sanitizer and Dual Universal Cell Phone Charger Box. Patented and clinically proven 360-degree UVC light sanitizer disinfects and charges all phones white. Simple and easy to use, PhoneSoap 3 is regarded as the best phone sanitizer out there. It has even been featured on Shark Tank, ABC's popular TV series, and tested by Discovery Channel. PhoneSoap 3 uses ultraviolet UV rays, claiming it can kill 99.99% of all the bacteria and other germs on smartphones. Its patented design features two medical-grade UVC lights, one at the base and the other on the lid, with the phone placed on a transparent quartz plate between the two light bulbs. The entire interior of PhoneSoap 3 is coated with reflective paint, which ensures complete sanitization of the phone or any other item placed on the plate in just 10 minutes. Number 4. Samsung Electronics Kai Wireless Charger and UV Sanitizer, US version. Intuitive design. Simply close the lid and press the button to disinfect for 10 minutes. Sanitation will stop automatically when the lid is open to ensure safety. Approved hydromiscible efficiency. 99% sanitation effect. Tested by world-leading inspection and testing companies, Intertek and SGS UVC Light effectively kills up to 99% of harmful germs and bacteria, including E. coli, Staphylococcus, and Candida albicans. Smooth and elegant. During sanitization, the magnetic cover keeps the sanitizer sealed, giving stability to users, while the rubber stopper cushions the impact and buffers noise when opening and closing the case. Sanitize and charge at the same time. UV sanitizer with wireless charging utilizes Kai wireless technology to fast charge your smartphone. Sanitize your daily items. Kill germs of not only your smartphone, but also for various items, such as glasses and accessories. Number 3. Watolt UV Light Sanitizer. Cell Phone Sanitizer Sterilizer Cleaner Box for Smartphone iPhone. CDL Phone UV Sanitizer. This UV cell phone sanitizer is a convenient and safe way to sterilize your phones. No liquids, heat, or chemicals needed. Fights most CELO phone. The cell phone sterilizer box fits all phones smaller than 6.6 inches. Whether you have an iPhone X, iPhone 8s Plus, Samsung Galaxy Note 8 or other cell phone brands, there's no need to worry about it not fitting your phone. Multi Fun C2IONL UV Sanitizer Box. The UV light sanitizer disinfects not only cell phones, but also face masks, keys, toothbrushes, earphones, watches, and anything else that can fit in the box. It can also be an extra aromatherapy diffuser. Just put some essential oils into the aromatherapy inlet to use it as an aroma humidifier and make your phones smell wonderful. Portable UV Phone Sanitizer. The sleek, ergonomic, and compact design of our phone sterilizer makes it easy to bring everywhere you go. Number 2. UV Phone Sanitizer and Charger by Johns Avenue. UV sanitizer with quick 5-minute sanitation mode can also be used in car. So how to use it? Utilizing UVC light technology, the DNA structure is broken down, preventing the spread from surface to surface. Our UV sanitizer box was independently tested by a microbiology lab and proven to kill 99.9% of viruses, bacteria, and microbes found on the surface of belongings. EPA #97351 CHN1. Sanitize is more than just PHONEs. Think pacifiers, smartwatches, jewelry, glasses, keys, credit cards, makeup brushes, and essential items, you name it. If it fits inside, it can be sanitized. Our UV cell phone sanitizer was designed to fit all phones up to 6.6. Smartphone Sanitizer and Speed CHRGR. Most UV light sanitizer box don't have phone charging, or if they do, it's on the lid, making you spend twice as long to charge and sanitize your phone. Number 1. COD UV Light Sanitizer Box. Phone sanitizer with wireless charging. Ultra-powerful 8 UVC sterilizer machine for phone, toothbrush, nail tools, jewelry, and more. The upgraded device equipped with 8 true LED UVC lamps, which can help eliminate 99% of invisible hazards in just 3 minutes, allowing you to handle your daily gadgets in an easy way. EPA Establishment Number. EPA established No. 96933 CHN1. Larger and deeper design for cell phones up to 6.5 inches, fit for phone 11 Pro Max, Samsung Note 10 or similar size cell phones. Now you don't need to remove the phone case before operation. Inner dimension 7.4 3.5 2 inch. Make sure you measure the size before purchase. 3 minutes is all you need to complete operation, which is much faster than the first generation. What's more, the new mirror design along with the bracket provided can result in optimal performance.